Are you looking for the best 15 by 15 heat press machines? In this video we will look at some of the best 15 by 15 heat press machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. VEVOR Versatile Press. If you're venturing into the world of heat transfer, the VEVOR 15x15 is a robust choice that caters to diverse crafting needs. Our first impression of the VEVOR heat press was its versatile application. It simply excelled at transferring designs not just to t-shirts but to hats, mugs, and plates too. This flexibility has been a boon for our small business, expanding the range of products we can offer. The heat-up time impressed us. It was quick and noticeably even. When we're juggling multiple projects, this reliability saves precious time and results in consistently high-quality prints that our customers love. We found the digital controls intuitively designed, which at the touch of a button made toggling between Celsius and Fahrenheit a breeze. Plus, the silicone buttons added a level of comfort during long sessions. However, we did encounter a slight learning curve with adjusting some of the attachments, specifically for mugs. That said, once we got the hang of it, the process has been smooth sailing. The weight of the machine is significant. You'll want to ensure it's properly set up on a stable surface. The provided suction cups didn't do much to help, so keep in mind that it's not a device you'll be moving around easily. The lack of a comprehensive manual was a minor hurdle, particularly for folks who might be new to heat pressing. Online resources filled in the gaps, but an included guide would have made the setup process much smoother. In conclusion, the VEVOR heat press stands out in versatility and performance, but it's worth considering the initial setup and adjustments you might need to make. For those who can move past these points, it's a reliable workhorse for any heat transfer enthusiast. At number 2. PlanetFlame Slide-Out Press. We think this PlanetFlame heat press is a solid investment for those stepping up their heat transfer game. PlanetFlame has crafted a heat press that combines efficiency with safety. After spending some time exploring its features, we're particularly pleased with the slide-out drawer. It massively reduces the risk of accidental burns when laying out designs. The non-sticky Teflon plate made cleanup a breeze. Even after multiple uses, it remained as good as new, indicative of its durability. Adjusting pressure is often a tedious part of using a heat press, but not with this machine. The pressure knob responded well to tweaks, letting us smoothly transition between projects of varying thicknesses. We could apply the perfect pressure consistently, a vital factor for ensuring high-quality transfers onto our materials. The digital controller did not disappoint. With a clear display and intuitive controls, we set our desired temperature and timing without any hassle. That being said, we suggest you might want to use an external thermometer to confirm the heat plate's temperature until you're familiar with its behavior. Despite the minor learning curve, the outcomes speak for themselves, and this press can genuinely deliver great value for both hobbyists and professionals. At number 3. HTVRONT Smart Heat Press. We think the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press machine is a solid purchase for its ease of use and consistent results. In our recent hands-on experience, the auto-release function of this press gave us the freedom to work on other tasks, ensuring that our projects wouldn't end up scorched. Its fast heat-up time, a noticeable improvement over other models, lets us power through several jobs with ease, a real time saver. However, we did find ourselves wishing for adjustable pressure. Some projects needed extra padding to get the right touch, which was a bit of a workaround. Using the machine felt comfortable and safe, perfect for a busy environment where attention might be split. The automatic shutoff function brought peace of mind, eliminating worries about potential fire hazards. This is a particularly handy feature when you're wrapped up in the creative process and might forget to turn off the device. In our use, the heat was impressively even across the platen, ensuring quality transfers every time. With a range of modes, it adapted to various materials, which came in handy when we experimented with different fabrics and mediums. Nevertheless, setting the exact time we needed was a little slow, but this minor inconvenience was far outweighed by the overall efficiency and reliability of the press. At number 4. Delclynee Heat Press. Invest in this Delclynee heat press for consistent transfers, whether you're a crafting beginner or running a small t-shirt business. Having first-hand experience with the Delclynee heat press has given us confidence in its capabilities. We've applied heat transfers to numerous shirts and each one came out with excellent quality. The digital controls are straightforward, setting the temperature and timer takes just a few seconds, and the audible alert for the set temperature is a convenient feature. The nonstick 15x15 platen handles large designs efficiently, ensuring wide coverage. While using the machine, we found the distribution of heat consistent for the most part, which is crucial for achieving professional-grade transfers. The longevity of a heat press is always a concern, but this unit's lifetime warranty on the heating element provides peace of mind. It's a clear indication that Delclynee stands behind its product. The added support from the secondary handle underneath the press aids in managing the machine more effectively, making the process smoother, even for those new to heat pressing. While there's a lot to like, we must note a couple of drawbacks. The heat press is indeed on the heavier side, a common trait amongst robust machines, making it less portable. This could be a minor inconvenience for some users. Also, there have been rare instances of uneven heating, but careful positioning and pre-testing your materials can help mitigate this issue. Overall, the Delclynee heat press strikes a balance between industrial-grade features and homecrafter usability. Its operation is intuitive, and we've seen excellent results on various heat transfer projects. Despite the minor cons, this heat press would make a worthy addition to your crafting corner or small business. At number 5. Heat Press 15x15 Slide Out, Clamshell Heat Press Machine. Extraordinary quality dual-tube heating plate. Featuring a high-quality dual-tube heating plate, this heat press machine uses cutting-edge, fast heating technology and a non-stick PTFE coating to prevent scorching during transfers. Its heat-resistant and easy-to-clean surface ensures stable printing. It also includes an 8.5 mm thermostable insulation sponge for enhanced transfer results. Slide-out bottom plate and clamshell design. The machine's slide-out bottom plate and clamshell design make it easy to lay out designs, reduce burn risks, and ensure precise transfer placement. This design also guarantees uniform heat distribution, making it ideal for various material transfers. Upgrade control box with 3-mode selection. The mode selection feature lets you preset temperatures and times for efficiency. The LCD display and user-friendly buttons simplify setting your desired time and temperature, with heating stopping once the preset temperature is achieved. A sound alarm signals when the preset time is up. Warning power, 1200-1400 W, temperature range, 0-482 degrees Fahrenheit, time range, 0-999 S. Multiple applications suitable for family and light commercial. Our 15x15 heat press is versatile. Its full-range pressure adjustment knob lets you tailor the pressure to your material's thickness. Perfect for t-shirts, garments, bags, mouse mats, puzzles, ceramic tiles, and other flat items. It's ideal for transferring images and text onto cotton, fiber, metal, ceramic, or glass. Whether for home use or a small business, it's a great choice. Easy to use and Excel-led service, our heat press machine comes with professional guidance and instructional videos for a quick start. We also provide an extended manufacturer's warranty and lifetime customer service. If you have any questions, please reach out and we'll tailor a solution for you.